Good morning everyone. Today ELGA 18 girls are going to do an activity. Our topic is parts of speech. In parts of speech there are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection.
Good morning everyone. I am Nazifa. I am from 7th standard. Noun names are words. Noun words are names of people, place, things, animals, ideas or events. Example: Nias, pair number, Ramzan, etc. Thank you.
Fatima Ifa. I am studying in grade 8. Pronoun. Pronoun takes the place of noun. Example: I, me, he, she, it.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is J. Simran Ibrahim from grade 8 studying in Green Valley Matriculation School. Verb. Verb words shows an action. For example, write, sleep, run, go, etc. Adverb. Words shows that are quality verb. Example, gently, softly, politely, etc.
Good morning to all. I am Safura from grade 8. Adjective word that describes a noun. For example, big, small, bad, good, etc.
Good morning to all. I am Farha from grade 7. My topic is preposition. Preposition is the word that shows the position, time or movement. For example, on, in, before, after, thank you.
Everyone, this is Kane from grade 8. Conjunction. Conjunction are the words that join two or more ideas. Example, and, but, or, and, because.
Good morning everyone. Myself Jayesh Nabiha Arman from grade 7. My topic is interjection. Interjection words sound or paras that consider emotions. Example: oh, hi, wow. Thank you. Thank you.